Hello and welcome to the comprehensive course on React.js from basics to advanced. Whether you are an absolute beginner or someone looking to sharpen your React skills, you are in the right place. My name is Sumaya and I will be your instructor throughout this journey. React is one of the most in demand and widely used front end JavaScript libraries in the world, used by companies like Facebook, Netflix, Instagram, and many more. In this course, we will break down React step by step, so by the end, you will have the confidence to build modern dynamic web applications from scratch. This course is structured into easy to follow modules covering React fundamentals, including JSX components and props, state management with hooks like useState and useReducer, lifecycle methods and useEffect, routing with React Router, form handling and validation, conditional rendering and list rendering, real world project structure and best practices, and much more, including a final hands on project. This course is perfect for complete beginners with basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript knowledge, developers switching to React from other frameworks, anyone who wants to build fast, scalable web apps, students and professionals preparing for front end job roles. You don't need to have any prior experience in React. We will start from zero and build up together. This is not just another theoretical course. You will learn through hands on examples, mini projects, and code along sessions. Every concept is explained clearly and practically. So you not only understand the how but also why. You will also get downloadable resources, quizzes, assignments, and lifetime access to all updates. So, if you are ready to become a confident React developer, let's begin your journey into modern front end development.